Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a milkshake. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, half a cup of milk, and any flavorings you desire, like chocolate syrup or fruit. Make sure your ice cream is slightly softened. This will help it blend smoothly and create that perfect creamy texture we all love. It's super simple. Now, let's get blending. Carefully add your softened ice cream, milk, and any chosen flavorings into your blender. Begin blending on a low speed to break down the ice cream, then slowly increase to a medium or high setting. Continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth and reaches your desired thick, creamy consistency. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. The best part about making milkshakes is customizing them. Feel free to get creative with your flavors. You can add fresh berries, chocolate chips, or even a spoonful of peanut butter for a different twist. A small amount of vanilla extract can also really enhance the overall taste. Don't be afraid to try new combinations to find your perfect milkshake. Once your milkshake is perfectly blended, it's time to serve. Pour your delicious creation into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, you can add a dollop of whipped cream, some colorful sprinkles, or even a maraschino cherry on top. Enjoy your homemade milkshake right away while it's cold and wonderfully creamy. Cheers to a sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.